The future is here. SKYPlug. Saving time, saving cost, saving lives. SKYPlug's technology takes only 3 seconds to install a new light fixture. The SKYPlug can be used again and again to replace light fixtures safely, quickly, and conveniently. SKYX Platforms is introducing the Smart SKYPlug, the safe and smart solution for light fixtures installation. Integrated with the newest technologies and platforms, SKYPlug Smart is the new plug-and-play standard for smart and safe lighting connectivity. SKYPlug's technology takes only seconds to install or replace a new light fixture. The SKYPlug Smart is integrated with all the smart features, including phone control, scheduling, dimming, voice control, working with Siri, Alexa, Cortana, and SmartThings, Eco Mode, emergency light, night light, color-changing light. The Smart SKYX plug could be used again and again to replace and upgrade new and existing light fixtures, enabling them to become plug-and-play smart fixtures. First-time installation takes 2 to 3 minutes to install, and it is safe to touch. Saving time, saving cost, saving lives. SKYX Platforms. Powered by SKYPlug.